because the zippers were all ripped. I bought new zippers in Panama. I've only put on half of it. There was no use taking out the other zipper and making holes in the canvas because its canvas starts to rip because it's getting old and worn out from the sun. So this piece is finished, and I've done one row of stitching down this white one, and I'm going to do a second row. Looks like there's a piece here that's also I'll have to put down. And this white piece, I've had to put that white piece of fabric down because the canvas was all ripped underneath there. So there it goes, doing it up. Can't do it with one hand, but it will work nicely. And there's both of them done up. I'll show you the other side. And here's the other side. Oh, looks like this one has a little bit of the binding coming off, so I'll have to fix that. Well, that'll be good. We had water pouring in there because the zippers were totally ripped off. Now I have two sides again of zippers in case the other sides break. And that's what I've been doing today while Andrew does our dinghy motor. Listen to that! The engines are on! We're getting ready to leave the marina! Woohoo! Andrew's untying the line. And we have some help. Okay, we are ready. And we're off. Taku, 7 o'clock on the button. And out the marina we go. And that's where we're going today, right to the point. And we're down here right now.
Good morning. It's February 5th, 2021. We are here in Bahia Herradura in Costa Rica, and this morning we're going to go to Isla Tortuga, which is 16.2 nautical miles away. There's not much wind today, so it's probably going to be a motor the whole way over.
Just put anchor down in Ballina Bay. Guess what? The water is clear here. We're in 4 meters and we can see the chain on the bottom. This is a first for us in Costa Rica. Beautiful little spot here. We decided not to go to the Tortugas today. One reason I'm not feeling well, and another reason because it's a weekend and we thought it would be busy there. There's Taku in front of us. And just put down our anchor ball because we're assuming it might be busy here this weekend and we don't want a boat anchoring on top of our anchor.
Good morning, Saturday, February the 6th. We are going to do our first real snorkel in Costa Rica. We have finally found some really clear blue water, and we're excited to see what we're going to find.
One of the mangrove rivers here.
Nice little swim today, didn't you?
Yeah. Peekaboo! Leave! The mouth of the river. Seems this is where they pick people up to take them to the beach we're at. A home on the river. Left or right? Dead end turnaround time. That's one giant termite mound. The color of this mangrove water, it's like mini golf course blue where they dye the water. Got a Ray up here. See if we can film him. Can you see him, Andrew? Dead ahead. Dead ahead. Get the shadow, there he is. Okay, turn to your right. Okay, I think we better stop chasing him. There he is, I got a shot of him.